Hello friends and welcome. Last video there seemed to be some enthusiasm for me to do a bike check to show off my beautiful girl, but right now she's a little bit dirty, so let's give her a clean. Alright, I hope you enjoyed me cleaning my bike. Let's get on to this bike check. Alright, so first and foremost, we have a Fuji Feather frame. It's a 2015. It came in the stock mint green color, but I had it powder coated to purple because purple's my favorite color. It was done by Colorworks powder coating here in Parker, Colorado, one of the Denver metro area suburbs. I'll put a link to them in the description below if you're in the Denver area. From there, we have our H Plus Sun archetype wheels, laced to some Formula Origin 8 hubs. We have our Omniums. Love those. It's got this stock 48 tooth chainring on there. I got an All City 17 tooth cog in the back, running the purple KMC chain. For pedals, we have Bontrager Line Elite mountain bike pedals. And then hold fast purple rain straps. I like these pedals because these pins here are removable. So on this side over here, I took them out so it's easier to get in and out of the pedals. For the cockpit, we have an 80mm Origin 8 stem. I wish I would have gone a little bit longer, but it works for me. Also shout out to Terry B, Hotline, you're a legend. For handlebars, we just got some no-name bars I got at my local bike shop with some purple Chinelli cork handlebar tape. And then to round it off, we have an FSA seat post and a Brooks Cambium C15 saddle. Nice and comfortable. But this is my bike, this is my beauty. I love it so much, and until next time, stay safe out there.